Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles over Atlantic coastal waters until 7 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater near Sandy Hook, moving east at 25 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles at 6:20 p.m. Waters from Montauk Point, New York to Sandy Hook, New Jersey from 20 to 40 nautical miles at 6:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following marine locations: Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles.